Hello everyone, I'm excited today to unbox and demonstrate the ASMAX Z1 Bluetooth headset. Today we're going to explore some of its amazing features, including the mesh intercom system, music, GPS navigation, and phone call capabilities. It also comes equipped with voice operation, electronic noise cancellation, universal pairing, and it's IP67 waterproof. What's more, it also has super fast charging, hassle-free magnetic installation, and especially its advanced 5.3 Bluetooth technology. Okay, now let's take a look inside the box. We can see it's got the beautifully designed packaging with the white box and the green lettered logo. And when we open it, we can see the ASMAX Z1 device. It's got a beautiful, sleek black design with the Type-C charging port at the back. And you can see it's got the water protective cover for that charging port. Inside, we've got the componentry. Now let's take a look at the components inside the ASMAX Z1 box. We have the cleaning pack, the Type-C charging cable, the ASMAX Z1 unit, the 3M glue plate, and you can see on the back where you will attach it to your helmet. We have the metal clamp, the magnetic mount, the Velcro for the speakers, the speaker pads, the Bon Jovi tuned speakers, the extra sponge for the hybrid microphone, two kinds of Velcro for the hybrid microphone, the wired microphone, Velcro for the wired microphone, and the ASMAX Z1 user manual. I'm going to show you how to install the Z1 into your helmet in this video in a step-by-step installation process. First, you should know that we have two main installation methods. The first is to use the 3M glue plate if your helmet is relatively thick. If your helmet is relatively thin, less than 5 millimeters, we recommend that you use the metal clamp installation method. Since this helmet is less than 5 millimeters, we'll be using the metal clamp installation method. You should take the magnetic mount and attach the metal clamp. Then, we recommend that you take out the cheek padding of your helmet. Next, we're going to attach the magnetic mount and the metal clamp to the left side of your helmet. Next, we're going to attach the speakers and the microphone inside the helmet. First, we're going to take the Velcro and attach it inside the helmet close to where our ears are. And we're going to attach the other one. And you can see where I placed those inside the helmet, close to where your ears will be. If after you've installed your speakers and Z1 device, and you realize that the sound is not clear enough, we recommend that you place these speaker pads on top of the Velcro. This will position the speakers even closer to your ears to improve hearing. Next, we're going to install the speakers on top of the Velcro. You'll want to position the speaker with the shorter wire closer to the magnetic mount. And you can see how we place those inside the helmet. Next, we're going to install the microphone. Please note that there's two types of microphones that can be installed. The first is the hybrid microphone, which is used for a quarter face helmet. However, for a full face helmet like this, we'll be using a wired microphone. First, we should take the wired microphone Velcro and place it inside our helmet near to where our mouth will be. However, making sure we don't cover the air duct. And then we will attach the microphone. You can see how we place that. Next, we are going to connect the wires of the magnetic mount to the wires of the microphone, making sure that we connect it the correct way. And then we're going to connect the speaker wire from the magnetic mount to the speaker wire. And next we're going to take our wires and tuck them underneath the padding. So you can take the long wire from the two speakers and place that underneath the top padding of your helmet. Next, we want to position the other wires behind where our cheek padding is going to go. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and take your cheek padding and put it back inside the helmet. Take the other cheek pad, put it back in. And now you should check and see if you have any loose wires. So I will go ahead and tuck that back behind my cheek pad. And you can take a look. It's installed and there's no loose wiring. And now we've finished installing the microphone and the speakers inside the helmet. Next, all you got to do is take the ASMAX Z1 unit and attach it to the magnetic mount. How easy is that? And if you want to remove it, you can just press down on the front and the unit slides right out. How cool is that? And it's that easy. Next, let's take a look at all the amazing features that the ASMAX Z1 has to offer. The Z1 is a smart Bluetooth headset. It can be used to control your mobile phone, to play music, answer calls, use voice control, adjust lighting effects, and most importantly, use the intercom. Next, I will demonstrate step-by-step how to set it up and use it. Some of the operations require you to connect to the mobile app, so I recommend that you download and install the ASMAX World app first on your phone. The headset has two main buttons, the intercom button and the function button. To turn the device on, simply press and hold both of these buttons.
High max battery, 90%.
Next, to pair the device with your mobile phone, simply press and hold the function key.
Start pairing.
Once the LED lights are flashing, you can open up your Bluetooth settings in your phone and press the ASMAX Z1 device.
Device 1 connected.
Once it's connected, let's go ahead and connect with the ASMAX World app. Open up the ASMAX World app. Press the plus sign in the app. Find your ASMAX Z1 device. Press that.
App connected.
And we're connected. Next, if you want to turn off the device, just do the same thing you did to turn it on. Press and hold the intercom and function keys.
Remaining battery, 90%. Bye-bye.
Now let's take a look at all of the amazing functions that you can control within the application. Check it out. You can control sound, phone, including calling volume, auto answer, voice dial, calling join and mesh. Auto answer means that when you receive a phone call, it will automatically be picked up. Calling join and mesh means that when you receive a phone call, you'll have the option to have them join into your group intercom. We have music, where you control your music volume. Mesh intercom, where you can control the intercom volume. You can personalize the LED also, turning it on or off here, adjusting the colors. You can also control the brightness and frequency, or change the mode to have the flash be slower or faster. Last, you can control the knocking on or off function. If you have time, you can check out all of the applications within the app. To restore the factory settings, you can simply long press the function key and the volume up key at the same time.
Factory settings have been restored. Remaining battery, 80%. Bye-bye.
Once the operation is complete, your device should be reset and rebooted.
High max battery, 80.
The ASMAX Z1 unit has Bon Jovi tuned speakers to make your music sound fantastic. Open the music application, then simply press the function button to play or pause the music. We can also increase or decrease the volume by simply pressing the volume keys. Volume plus, volume minus. If we want to skip to a previous track or go to the next track, we can simply hold the volume plus to go to a previous track, or volume minus to go to the next track. Or we can also use voice operations to control the music. Hi, Max.
Here.
Next track.
Okay.
Or we can pause the music. Hi, Max.
Coming.
Pause music.
Okay.
And it's that easy. When you're using the ASMAX Z1 device and you receive a phone call, you can press any key to answer the call. To hang up the call, simply short press the intercom key. If you're receiving a call and you want to reject it, long press the intercom key. Additionally, if you want to turn on or off the auto answer function, simply long press the volume up and volume down button.
Automatic answering is turned on, and the phone can automatically answer incoming calls.
And it's that easy. Here's something you'll find cool. When you're on a team intercom and a phone call comes in, you can actually have that person join right into your team intercom. All you need to do is answer the call and hold down the function button. Also, remember to make sure that you have the calling join in mesh option turned on in the ASMAX World app. The ASMAX Z1 Bluetooth headset has two communication modes you can choose between. Free mode is a public channel, which means that you don't have to create a group intercom to have someone join. If we want to join the channel, we can simply short press the intercom.
Free mode.
And up to 10 riders can join our free mode channel now. If we want to exit, we can simply press the intercom key one more time.
Standby.
Group intercom uses mesh and 5.3 Bluetooth technology, allowing for more stable connections at greater distances, up to 1.8 kilometers. Riders can join or leave these channels without causing disruptions. Also, riders only need to pair one time, eliminating the need for repeated pairing. To start group mode, press and hold the intercom button on your device.
Start grouping. Join two members.
If there are other people using group mode on the network, the smart voice system will tell you how many other people have joined your group. Then we press the intercom button again to confirm.
Press the intercom button to confirm. Confirm. Team up.
Once we've created group rooms, we can then press the intercom button again to switch from group mode to free mode or return to standby.
Free mode. Standby.
And now we're back in standby. There's also another cool way for you to join group intercoms. It's called the knock-on function. First, just double-click the function button on your device.
Start knocking function.
Once the knocking function is started, we can knock on the device.
Start grouping. Press the intercom button to confirm.
Press the intercom button to confirm.
Confirm. Team up.
Now we're confirmed and we're in the team mode. Lastly, just make sure before you use this function that you check in the app that you have the function properly turned on. For universal pairing, you can intercom with other brands of headsets. Here's how it works. First, put the other brand's headset into pairing mode. Then, put the Z1 device into pairing mode also by long pressing the function key.
Start pairing.
Then, double-click the intercom key to put it into universal pairing mode.
Universal pairing. Universal connected.
Once the two devices are connected, you simply need to double press the function key one more time to confirm the connection. Once you hear the headset make a boop boop sound, you know that you've connected. You can double press the function key one more time to leave the universal pairing connection. And you'll hear the same double click sound. And what if you want to connect another ASMAX Bluetooth headset device after you've already set up the bridge networking? That's no problem. All you need to do is create another team network and you've got a three-way intercom going. The ASMAX Bluetooth headset supports intelligent voice operation to use most of the basic functions to control the music, call, GPS, intercom, and so on. For example, if I say, "Hi Max,
Speaking.
group mesh,"
Okay. Start grouping. Press the intercom button to confirm.
I can join the group communications, which is very convenient. And when we link to the ASMAX app, we can manipulate our phone to do other interesting and useful voice operations. Even when there is no network, you can use the built-in offline voice commands for voice operation. For a list of voice commands, take a look at page 13 in your user manual. Just remember that ASMAX is continuously developing new voice commands for the ASMAX Z1 product. The smart voice system is very important. It allows us to use many basic functions while keeping our hands on the handlebars without using the buttons while riding. This improves operation convenience and safety. So that was the ASMAX Bluetooth headset. I hope all of you will have a safe, reliable, and comfortable experience while using it. Thank you for supporting ASMAX. ASMAX, no borders, more freedom.